Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name Imam Wahyu Aji. I'm from Magister Indonesian Language and Learning Education, University of Muhammadiyah Purwokerto. I want to present about my article with the title is Indonesian Language Learning Methods for International Class Programs in Secondary School. Okay, the introduction. First, international class programs. International class program is a study program at a university, usually at a university, that is held using English as the main language of instruction. This program usually has several distinctive characteristics. Next, international curriculum. The international class program is designed in accordance with international standards. This aims to prepare students to compete in the global world. And then international class program in secondary school. International class program can be had in secondary school, junior high school or senior high school can have international class program. International class program in secondary school are designed to provide high quality education to students who wish to continue their studies at international university or want to work in multinational company. This program usually use an international curriculum like Cambridge International Assessment or CIA or International Baccalaureate IB and other curriculum international. And the main language of instruction is English. And then objective of international class programs. The first is preparing students to continue their education at well-known university abroad. Second, developing students competent in English skills, competent in English skills. Third, equip students with global knowledge and understanding. Fourth, fostering student tolerance and intercultural attitudes. And five, building independent and broad-minded student characteristics. And then theoretical review. The first is bilingual learning for international classes. Bilingual learning in international classes refers to a teaching and learning process that use two languages. As main language is Indonesian or mother tongue, and a foreign language usually use English on an ongoing basis. This approach aims to develop student abilities in both languages as well as increase their understanding of culture and the value contained therein. And then language learning for international class has its own complexity compared to regular classes. This is because students in international class come from various different linguistic and cultural backgrounds. Come from China, Japanese, Malaysian, and other languages, and come to international program in Indonesia. Therefore, it is important for teachers to understand appropriate language learning theories in order to design effective learning that suits student needs. And then next, theoretical review is socioculture. Socioculture theory emphasizes the importance of social and cultural interaction. This theory can be applied by providing opportunities for students to interact with native Indonesian speakers and learn about Indonesian culture. It is important to note that there is no one language learning theory that can be applied universally. Teacher must choose the theory that best suits their student needs and learning style. Apart from that, teacher must also continue to learn and develop their knowledge of language learning theories in order to be able to design learning that is effective and in line with current development. And then result and discussion. First, Indonesian language learning methods that can be applied in international high school classes. The first, theme-based approach. This method uses themes that are relevant to student life as the basis for learning. These themes can be Indonesian culture, global issues, or topics that are interesting to students. This approach helps students understand Indonesian in a meaningful context and increase their motivation to learn. And the second is project-based learning. In this method, students are involved in projects that require them to use Indonesian to complete a segment. This project can be research, presentation, or creative content creation. Project-based learning helps students develop their Indonesian language skill comprehensive, include speaking, listening, reading, and writing. The third is technology integration. Technology can be a powerful tool to improve Indonesian language learning. Teacher can use various applications, video and website to make learning more interesting and interactive. Students can also use technology to practice Indonesian outside of class, such as by watching films or listening to Indonesian music. Fourth is collaborative learning. Collaborative learning encourages students to work together to complete assignments and projects. This helps them develop their communication and collaboration skill, as well as increase their confidence in using Indonesian. The fifth is continuous assessment. Continuous assessment is important to monitor student progress and provide them with constructive feedback. Teacher can use various assessment methods, such as tests, quizzes, assignment, and projects, to comprehensively assess student Indonesian language skill. Benefits of learning Indonesian in international class program in secondary school. First is improve communication skill. Indonesian is the official language of Indonesia and is widely used in everyday life. Mastering Indonesian allows students to communicate with Indonesian more easily, both in formal and informal contexts. Second, expanding learning opportunities. Mastering Indonesian language open up opportunities for students to study at the best university in Indonesia, like Universitas Indonesia and other. And then, which offer a variety of high quality study programs. Apart from that, Indonesian can also help students to access wider information and learning resources in various fields. And then, improve critical skills. Studying Indonesian helps the student to develop their critical and grammar from their mother tongue. Students must learn to understand these differences and use Indonesian appropriately and effectively. And then improve memory and cognitive skills. Learning a new language has been proven to improve memory, concentration, and problem solving abilities. This is because the brain has to work hard to process new information, and learn the rules of a different language. Okay, thank you. That's from me. I'm sorry because if any wrong. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.